Hi everyone, hope so you all are fine. So right now I will tell you here about the example of the TCP IP protocol stack. But just imagine this is your system, like you are the client here and this is your system, okay? And this one is the server where you want to sign in or sign up, whatever. Right now I am creating a scenario like you want to sign in Facebook, like this is your Facebook and you just write it facebook.com. And now what really happen is you want to sign in, just put your username and the password. Now how it moves on the server and how it generates the request, this is just a common, or you say the most basic flow of your request. Like it moves on, like you put the username and password here, okay, at that HTTP client interface level. And now in the backend level what it happens is just move on with the communications like TCP with the IP and at last with the Ethernet driver. And from the Ethernet driver it moves on the wires, and received on the other end of the machine, wherever it is located. Okay, so this is the server here, so it moves in this way and it receives by the HTTP server, or we will say this is the Facebook server where it received, and then it just reply back in the same way. It just reply back. If it reply back, it's like this is replying back, and then you will be signing, and then another request will generate it and you will sign in and move on towards the next page. So this is the basic example of this TCP IP protocol stack, and we will see what really the main protocol and how these TCP IP protocol stacks, TCP IP headers are created, and what is the purpose of this token ring, why this token ring is created, and how they are moving, and what really. Before that, just remember this is the flow of internet, how the internet is moving. Okay, so this is all about the example here. So let's meet you next lecture. Thank you.